uyonakala ke ngoku. Yavela ingonyama yakwaJuda.
Hallelujah.
Yavela ingonyama yakwaJuda. Yavela ingonyama kaJuda.
Hallelujah.
Ehleli phansi komhlaba namhlanje. Elathi skiya. Eyelathi esiyenze lion.
Jesus, hallelujah. Oh Jesus.
Akangenagazethi ehathesi as the lamb. But ungene as the lion. Because there are situations where God turned himself. Because this God was changer. Umuthixo automatic. Umuthixo chinchayo. Wathi kwafikela isimo esithile. Wathi I am a lion.
Oh Jesus.
I am a lion.
Oh Jesus.
He changed himself. Kukwindoda ehleli nengonyama. Abantu basibuza ukuthi kungani ukuthi angahliwa singonyama.
Hallelujah.
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 Ingonyama ikwazi ukuhlenga ingonyama. Ingonyama zange sibone umuntu. Kodwa sabona ingonyama. Wabusitshile.
Hallelujah. Oh Jesus.
Ingakho ingonyama zasuka zaba comfortable. Because siyazibona hlezi zodwa. Zasuka zaba comfortable. Zasuka zaba comfortable. Now kukhululwa lengonyama. Kukhululwa lengonyama. Uyonakala yakhulula ingonyama. Uyonakala yakhulula ingonyama. Isoko iyadesi yayazi lento.
Oh Jesus.
Iyadesi yathi awungena uYesu as a lion. Zange be na choice. Oh khashiyana. Kodwa yakhulula isiko. Yakhulula isiko. Namhlanje khona ingonyama. Esisiweyo for wena. Ikhona ingonyama. Esosindisa wena. Ikhona ingonyama. Esovulela wena indlela. There is a lion. There is a lion. There is a lion. He became a lion because he is the Lion of Judah. When you see those 12 tribes, when you look at them, I am going just to mention two. Then the tribe of Reuben means a rising sun. All their names mean something. Kutatwa from the 12 tribes. And God chose. He didn't choose Benjamin because Benjamin was the first one. But he chose Judah, the fourth son. He chose the fourth son. Because of the situation. When God sees the situation, when God assesses the situation, at which angel must I send? Because I have so many angels. Which angels must I send? Because they need my angel. At which angel?
Hallelujah.
What did Judah come? Judah come. Ndifuna ukubonisa amagana ukuthi ngokungabikho kukaJoshua akutsho ukuthi uzawavuyelela amaSirayeli. Ndifuna ukubonisa amagana. Judah come. Stand in front of them. The tribe of Judah stood up. The tribe of Simon stood up. You know what the meaning of the tribe of Simon? It means the towers and the walls of fire.
Oh, Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Mamela, the lion is going to the wall. And now God is raising up again Usamon as the tower in Rama.
Oh, God.
Because Calcium Vaswe,